Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing great. Yes, it's happened again. OnePlus launched their another Nord series phone. If anyone kept track of how many Nord phones launched till date, please comment below. Okay, let's jump into today's topic. Today we are going to see unbox and quick review of OnePlus latest smartphone, OnePlus Nord 2T. First, let's unbox the phone. This is OnePlus Nord 2T's box. On the front, you will get Nord logo. On the left side, there is a small text OnePlus Nord 2T 5G. On the back, spec and box contents are mentioned. Let's open the box. There is a small box on the top. It contains booklets, red cable club card and some Nord stickers, one SIM ejector tool and finally one TPU case. The case quality is really good. Let's take out the phone and remove the wrapper. Let's turn on the phone. Let's remove the sticker. Let's put it on the case. Next, on the box you'll get 80 watts fast charging adapter and one USB Type A to Type C cable. When we talk about the design, on the back it's a glass body design with a matte finish. It feels really good while holding on the hand. The camera bump looks similar to iQOO Z6 Pro and Vivo's T1 Pro. There is no major change on the camera bump. Overall, with the matte designed glass back and the new camera design, definitely makes the phone looks really premium. When it comes to color variant, the phone comes on two color variant. The one we have is grey shadow and the one more variant is jade fog. When it comes to bezels, the phone really have thin bezels and punch hole display on the front. The phone weighs overall 190 gram and it's 8.2 mm thickness. Even though the phone is slightly on the heavier side, OnePlus did really amazing job on the weight distribution. Also, the curved edges on the back makes the phone really slim while holding on the hand. Overall, for the one hand usage, the phone feels really slim and comfortable. The only negative we felt is still the punch hole is big compared to few recently launched smartphones. Overall, the OnePlus Nord 2T is definitely a compact device. Next, let's talk about the display. The phone comes with 6.43-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. Since it's AMOLED display, the display looks really good. The colors are really punchy. The only negative is there is no adaptive refresh rate. Either you have to choose 60Hz or 90Hz. Also, most of the brands giving 120Hz display for their budget smartphones, but still OnePlus is hanging with 90Hz display. Also in the setting, you'll get option for AI based video color boost. Once you turn this option, even when you are watching a normal video, the video will be enhanced with color boost. Also, the phone has HDR10 support. The media consumption experience on this phone is really good. Also, the display has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. When it comes to brightness, on a sunny daylight condition, while using the phone on the outdoor, still the display is really visible and clear. Overall, to conclude it, the display is really amazing on the OnePlus Nord 2T. This time OnePlus did good job on adding alert slider on this phone. Also, when it comes to fingerprint, the phone have in-display fingerprint sensor. It's fast and accurate. Also, the phone have face unlock option. It's also fast and accurate. When we talk about the ports and buttons, the phone have power button and the alert slider on the right side, volume rocker keys on the left side. On the top, you'll get secondary noise cancellation mic. And finally, on the bottom, we have one SIM tray with dual SIM support. Both supports 5G. Other than that, on the bottom, mic, Type-C port and one speaker grill. When it comes to speaker, the phone have a stereo speakers. The earphone on the top act as a secondary speaker. Overall, the sound quality is decent and loud. When it comes to operating system, the phone runs on Android 12 on top of OnePlus Oxygen OS 12.1. The last security update was on May and the brand promises 3 years of security update and 2 years of OS update. Also, the mobile comes with no bloatware. Next, let's talk about camera. On the front, the phone have 32 megapixel camera with aperture 2.4. It's a Sony IMX615 sensor and the camera output is really good. When it comes to video, on front you can record 1080p max at 30 frames per second. The video quality is also decent. On rear, we have a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel primary with aperture 1.8. It has a OIS support and the sensor is Sony IMX766 sensor. The camera output is really good and since it has OIS, the stabilization is also really great. Also, we have 8MP ultra wide camera with EES support. Finally, we have 2MP mono lens. Overall, the picture quality is really good. When we talk about video, on rear you can record 4K video at max 30 frames per second. The OIS stabilization was really good and the output was really great. When it comes to battery and charging, the phone have 4500 mAh battery and it comes with 80 watt SuperVOOC fast charging adapter. The charging adapter is one of the major update on this phone. On OnePlus 2, we used to get 65 watt fast charging adapter. Here it is 80 watts. And the brand promises from 0 to 100, it will take 27 minutes to charge. The another major upgrade on the phone was processor. OnePlus 2 was launched with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. Now OnePlus 2T is upgraded with MediaTek Dimensity 1300 processor. It's not a big update from the previous generation processor. The performance difference between the both processor are not that different. Other than that, overall when we talk about the performance, the MediaTek Dimensity 1300 performs really great on both day-to-day tasks and the heavy gaming. Also, we didn't find any heating issue on the phone on our usage. When it comes to RAM expansion, you'll get three options. You can expand up to 3GB, 5GB or 7GB. And the phone has LPDDR4X RAM and USF 3.1 storage. When it comes to RAM and storage size, the phone comes in two variants. The one we have is 12 to 56GB and the one more variant is 8 128GB. When it comes to price, we are making this video before launch, so we are not clear with the price. Once we get the final update, we'll mention the price details in the description. Hope you'll find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.